Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a new video on how to merge PDF files into one PDF file. Managing multiple PDF files all at once can be frustrating, especially if you are handling massive file sizes of designs that need plenty of correcting. Keep in mind that we use the portable document format, that is PDF, to get out the best quality of the image content such as vector graphics, animations, 3D models, and many more official work that we all do. You won't have to worry about memory space anymore because the combining and merging of all the PDF files happen in their cloud, and here I am with a very convenient and easy way to merge PDF files into one PDF file. Here you can see that I have so many PDF files and mailing them can be very time taking. Moreover, opening each will be very frustrating and time consuming for the receiver. So if we merge them into one PDF, it will be very convenient for both and will be combined one underneath the other, thus making it very easy to use. So let's get started. We type merge PDF files on the search engine. As you can see on the screen above, I have the arrow pointing over there. Click on merge PDF. Here we are clicking on the first one, that is on smallpdf.com, but there are many more and all have got the same function and same way to do it. So whichever is convenient, you can go for that. I find this one very convenient, and so I use this. This is small PDF. So here we have the screen, we have entered into small PDF, merge PDF files, and here we have I have already marked the arrow where you have to click on choose files, or if you have to drop PDF files over here, whichever is convenient, you can do that. So when we click on choose files, this box opens, which is the content of my personal computer, and since I have my PDF files all in the downloads, so I one by one write the name, the file name on the place provided where the arrow is marking, and then after writing the file's name, we press on open. So as you can see on the screen, my first PDF file is already here with the name october.t1.pdf. Then choose merge files or merge pages. We can see two windows here. Whichever is convenient for you, you will click on that. I chose the merge files option. And then I can see my first PDF file here on the screen. Just underneath that, we have the option add more. When I click on add more, I can add as many PDF files as I want to, and I need to merge 20 PDF files into one, which I will do one by one. So when we press the add more option, a box opens which has got three options written over there. The first is choose file, the second one is drop from Dropbox, and the third one is from Google Drive. I click on choose files because my files are on my personal computer. So I will take my files from there. So here you can see that I have added 20 PDF files. We can see them all on the screen. Then we press on the purple box that points to merge PDF. When we do so, a merged PDF file is ready with all 20 PDF files together, one underneath the other. We can now download it and save it or send it to the required person. There are other options too, as you can see on the screen. On the right side of the screen, we have compress PDF, edit PDF, split PDF, rotate PDF, PDF to Word. If we want to use any of these, we can definitely access so. Now we can delete the multiple PDF files, as now we have a merged PDF file. You can see that on the top we have October T1 merged file. All the other 20 PDF files can be deleted. So this is so convenient. We have all 20 PDF files in one merged PDF file, one underneath the other, so we can see all of them only by scrolling our mouse. Wasn't this so very convenient? Please subscribe my channel if you have still not done so, and please press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Do take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.